Another cause of the Russian Revolution is the fact that Russia's military wasn't doing so great. So here's a political cartoon that kind of depicts some of the events that have happened. We had the Russo-Japanese War between Russia and Japan, and Russia lost. And then we had another conflict here. We had Russia and Japan had a treaty that they signed over territories, and Russia broke it. So Japan retaliated and attacked, and again, Russia lost. And then again, Nicholas II decided to bring Russia into war again, into World War I. And they were not prepared to handle the military and the economic cost. Like we said before, the Russian military was writing to say, please let us go home. We're hungry, we're cold. 4 million Russian soldiers had been killed, wounded, or taken prisoner. They were getting mowed down by German machine guns, and they just were not prepared for this. So the morale of the Russian troops was down, and the soldiers started to go against their orders. They started leaving, they started ignoring their assigned post. And on the home front, food and fuel supplies were also dwindling. They were decreasing, and prices were widely inflated. People all from all over were clamoring for change. They were demanding, and they were starting to want change. So there's another example of how the czars were not capable of keeping Russia safe.